Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, in this video, I will explain how to manage audio with your Garmin Forerunner 55. It's important to know that this watch acts as a remote control for music playing on your smartphone. The Forerunner 55 does not have internal storage for music, so your headphones will connect directly to your phone. This setup allows you to control your tunes conveniently from your wrist while your phone handles the audio streaming. To begin, you'll need to pair your Forerunner 55 with your smartphone. Start by installing the Garmin Connect app on your phone and ensure Bluetooth is active. When you first turn on your watch, it should automatically enter pairing mode. If not, you can manually initiate it through the watch's phone settings. Keep your phone within 10 meters of your watch during this process and simply follow the clear instructions provided in the Garmin Connect app to establish the connection. Now that your watch is paired with your phone, it's time to connect your headphones. Remember, your headphones will connect to your smartphone, not directly to the Forerunner 55. Place your headphones into pairing mode, which often involves holding a button until an indicator light blinks. Then, navigate to your smartphone's Bluetooth settings, find your headphones in the list, and select them to complete the connection. You should see a confirmation on your phone once they are successfully paired. Once your headphones are connected to your phone and music is playing, your Forerunner 55 becomes a convenient remote. To access the music controls, simply press and hold the down button on your watch. This will bring up the music control widget, allowing you to effortlessly play or pause your audio, skip forward or backward through tracks, and even adjust the volume. Just ensure your smartphone stays within Bluetooth range, typically about 10 meters, to maintain the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.